Today, we're playing 99 Nights in the Forest. Oh, broken star, broken slab dial. Oh, and a farm plot. Okay. Okay, Sunny. Sunny, hello. Fire reached 100. The map has grown bigger. Oh, no way. Let's start this. Let's find some carrots.
Sabi niya ang ETA niya ay 8 o'clock.
Find some carrots.
Ito sa nakakain na ako.
Gonna store it. Store? Store. Oh. Oh. Cook meat. Oh.
Kawawa naman yung matanda.
Nangyari?
Na, ano lang, abo.
Ah, sa mayon?
Oo.
Saan mo siya namin?
Pauwi daw siya.
Kala nung una kong nakita yun, kala ko vintage yung bag niya. Yung parang naluma lang.
Oh, kinda hungry. Kinda hungry. Eat. Kinda hungry. Yeah, almost done and boom.
Ito ba yun?
How's our meat decreasing? Why is our meat decreasing? Why is our meat decreasing? By
Yung
the
kay
way,
John Lee Calvin.
wait, you bought some food?
Kay John Lee
You bought
nasa-
some food? Did you get some food?
Yung kay John Lee na sa
Oh, buddy.
ano,
Hey!
sa abo.
Hey, watch out, watch out, watch out, baby.
Sakali.
Watch out. Oh,
Sakali. Nilagay ko yung chicken niya doon. What? Oo, parang ano, para mainit. Kainin niya.
store. Boom. That is approaching.
Ito yung numbers ng vineyard.
Landers?
Inenders. Nike.
Ah, Nike shoes. May Nike shoes sila?
Inenders.
Galing ah. Dahil na-feature sila sa Coachella.
Oh man,
Coachella.
snow night.
Coachella yun.
Day 2.
Coachella.
Snow day 2. Let's go. Day 2.
Ganda pink.
Can anyone come?
Saan?
Dad.
Mahal eh.
Hey, ain't no
Mga
way.
9,000 siguro.
Hey, somewhere
No.
deep in the forest. Oh my goodness.
Hindi.
Maxine! Maxine. Oh my goodness. I gotta leave the game first. Leaving him alone! What do I have now?
Dahil naliga na. Good night ka na.
Oh my goodness!
Umapalo na. Ayun na. Good night na.
Mama, for patay.
Ano full? Tara na. Good night na. Matutulog na sila. Maaga pa sila bukas.
Bye.